What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. So if you guys are new to our channel, hi, welcome. I'm Jen and this is my sister
Cynthia.
And today we created these two looks using the new Morphe
Sweet Oasis palette.
It reminds me like just beach vibes, like it's so nice. And of course we also have the lip trio that is part of this collection.
3 glosses.
They're so pretty. They're not like bold, as you can see. They're very like sheer, like a very nice tint to them. And we don't have the brushes, you guys, because we did not purchase them. We just purchased the palette and the glosses. So we did use all Morphe products, you guys, even the brushes. The only things we did not use is the brows, because we did not have the brow pomade. We thought we did, and we just like didn't purchase it because we thought we did and we can't find it. And then the next was mascara.
We also thought we had the mascara.
We did have the mascara. We used it in a video for you guys and we couldn't find it. We're like, wow, okay. And then the last is the lashes.
So these 2 looks that we created, we actually tried to recreate Karen, I love Sarai on Instagram, the looks from her campaign. You guys go ahead and tell us, be the judge. Let us know how well we did or didn't do.
I know, but so if you guys want to see how we created these 2 looks,
then keep on watching and make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video because, of course, as you guys already know, we have
a giveaway. You gotta watch it all the way through.
The whole thing.
So the foundations we are going in with, and I say foundations because we need 2, you guys. This one is like olive, which is our undertone.
A little too olive.
Yeah, it's too olive. And then this one is a little bit more warmer and lighter. So I guess both of these kind of like neutralize it, so it kind of fits our
complexion.
Skin. Yeah. As you guys can see, our brows are already done. We did not go in with the Morphe, what is it, the pomade they call it? I always say like dip brow for like everything, but they're not all called dip brows, right?
I think it's a pomade.
Yeah, and it's so good, you guys, but we thought we had it. That's why we didn't purchase it. We couldn't find it. So we just went in with Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow in the shade dark brown. And your same?
Yeah, dark brown.
Yeah, dark brown. But we did go in with the Morphe brow gel, and it's pretty good, you guys.
Yeah, I put that right on top right after I did my brows with the dip brow.
It like holds them in
like
place.
In place. Like yeah. I can feel it. I was telling her it's a really good dupe for the Anastasia one. The finish is the same. It dries your brows in place.
So we did prep our face, you guys. We went in with the Morphe primer. This is Revitalizer, so it's like the hydrating one. Since we're going in with a matte foundation, you do not want to go in with like a matte primer.
You're just gonna feel
dry.
It's
gonna feel really dry. So you gotta go in with a hydrating primer, and this one's actually pretty good. Do you like it? I've used this one before.
I like it,
and it's so affordable, you guys. So I'm gonna start off with my foundation, and Cynthia's gonna start off with her eyes.
And I am going in with the Morphe concealer. This one's in the shade C1.35.
We do have another concealer that we're gonna use on our face. This
is a little too bright. I might mix them.
What shade is this one?
1.45. C1.45.
Oh, okay. So I am gonna be taking a Morphe beauty sponge to apply my foundation. I got this sponge from this collection, you guys. It's from the Lisa Frank palette. They have a Lisa Frank palette, which is so cute, you guys, and they have these beauty sponges. I don't have anything to mix the foundation, you guys, so I'm just gonna go in with the darkest one first and then the lightest one on top.
So we are recreating the 2 looks from the campaign with this palette. It was done with Karen, I love Sarai, that's her name on Instagram. And we do not know exactly what shades they use. I'm going with her blue look and she's gonna do the pink one. So I'm just gonna have to kind of guess which one she used. As a transition shade, I'm gonna go in with the shade Snorkel Sesh. So from her picture, I can tell like it's darker. She has more of a darker blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Hidden Cove.
So now I'm going in with the concealer. I already went in with both foundations. So now I'm taking the Morphe setting powder in translucent and applying it on the areas that I just concealed. We're actually using Morphe brushes, you guys.
We are, not on purpose, it just happened.
Oh, I intended to use Morphe.
I didn't, that's just usually what I use, I guess.
I'm actually using the Jaclyn Hill collection one. You're just using, are you using her other one? Or just regular Morphe brushes?
Yeah, just regular.
So now I'm going in with this Morphe bronzer in the shade Debutante. So next I'm going in with this Morphe palette. It is all blushes, you guys.
And I'm gonna go in with the shade Windsurf. I'm gonna go in like a third of my eyelid. You guys, it wasn't as vibrant as I wanted it to be, so I'm gonna mix in Panoramic Shot.
So now I'm going to, what am I gonna do? Oh, my eyes. So I'm gonna be taking the shade Private Villa.
I'm gonna go in with the shade Just Us 2. And I'm just gonna place it right next to that, the shade Windsurf. Right on top of that light pink shade, I'm gonna go in with Wanderlust. So I'm gonna deepen it, darker pink.
Now I'm going in with Picture Perfect.
I'm gonna deepen my outer corner. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Secret Lagoon and mix that in with Hidden Cove.
So now I'm taking the Morphe concealer again, and I'm gonna be cutting my crease with this. All right, you guys, so we're all done with our look. I don't know, what do you guys think? How did we do?
Do we look like Karen?
I love Cynthia's look. Like, oh my gosh, I freaking love the blue. It's so nice and it just stands out. She looks like a mermaid. I freaking love it. My look, I feel like I've done pink so many times and I'm over it, to be honest. I like her blue look instead. Last I told you guys I was cutting my crease. Then I went in with eyeliner and then popped on these lashes. And then last I did the same steps with the same shadows I used on top. I repeated the same steps on the bottom. And you guys saw how I did my face. And for my lips, I went in with Tipsy and Groupie, these two shades right here. We actually went in with the same shades. We both went in with this highlighter. It is a little Morphe highlighter in the shade Spark. And then with the Morphe setting spray.
The setting mist.
Setting mist, but it's like the same thing. But yeah. And that was it for my look.
So you guys pretty much saw everything that I used on my eyes. I just pretty much repeated the same process on the bottom. I didn't use a Morphe liner. I used the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. It's one of my favorite liners, really good. And then mascara, like we said in the
not Morphe.
beginning, we don't have Morphe, so I used L'Oreal.
We both used that one because we have the same mascara.
After that, I did my face. I pretty much did everything she did. The only difference is probably the blush shade. So I used the shade Unapologetic mixed with Sweet. And then she already said what lip products we used. And then I used the same highlighter. And then the lashes that we both used are actually not Morphe lashes. So we used the lashes by the brand Glamour Gal Beauty. If you guys have never heard of them, we will tag them down below, right?
So pretty. Yeah, we'll make sure to tag them down below for you guys. The lashes are so freaking pretty. Like, these are so big. I feel like I never wear lashes this big.
Look really nice. They make your eyes pop.
Yeah, like definitely check out their lashes because they're freaking bomb. Your lashes are so full.
I wish I would have got those because looking at them online, they didn't look as full as I'm used to and what I usually buy. But
yeah, she wanted to make sure she got something
they
full.
look really nice and like
they look like
there.
wispy.
Nice.
And yeah, yours are pretty full. I think mine's are probably a little bit longer.
Yeah, mine are.
But yours are pretty full.
That's usually what I buy. I usually get lashes that are full. When they're natural, I feel like it's a waste. Like they're not gonna show as much, especially because I'm used to creating dramatic looks. So to me, it's like I need a dramatic lash, but I like wispy as well, and those are really nice. This is the packaging. It's really pretty. Like it's like classy. I don't know. It's really pretty. I forgot to add you guys that in my waterline, I went in with this Morphe colored pencil in the shade Harper. It's just a blue. But you guys, the foundation I feel like ended up matching us really well. You guys, I really like this translucent
the
powder.
setting powder, yeah.
I like it.
It was pretty good.
Pretty matte, pretty smooth. I like it.
It wasn't drying at all. So I don't know, you guys, rate us down below. Let us know what you guys think on the looks we created, if we did get close enough to Karen's. I know mine's is different for sure. It's not.
I feel like mine is too.
identical.
She's saying it's not, but I really do think it is.
I really like her look. So freaking bomb. She looks like a mermaid. I love it. You guys, I can't believe my necklace. Look at that. It just came to the front. Oh my gosh.
I'm not sure. She hasn't worn a necklace in a while.
You jerk. Alright, that's better. I'm so sorry about that, you guys. Like, I can't cut it out.
I'm sure that distracted you guys.
It is what it is, but hey, alright, that's better. So, yeah, you guys let us know what you think on the looks we created. And this palette, you guys, is just so beautiful. You can create so much more.
Just the packaging itself, like, it just looks like a beautiful, perfect
Beachy
sunset. Just make sure you guys are following us on our Instagram because I really do plan on creating so many looks with this palette.
Creating more looks with that palette on her Instagram.
I have so
make
many
sure you're following us, okay?
in my head.
So you guys don't miss out on her looks that she creates. And maybe we can recreate them for a video if you guys would like. So now it's time for the giveaway. So for this giveaway, you guys, we're going to be giving away the whole collection. So that includes the palette, these glosses, and we did not purchase them, but the brushes. Okay, so
we didn't purchase them for ourselves, but we will be giving them to you guys.
Yeah, giving them to you guys. So you guys will be getting the whole collection. So to enter this giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and you hit the bell so you guys get notified every time we upload a new video. Make sure you're also following us on Instagram, on our joint account and our own accounts. That's where we will be announcing the winner. And please make sure you guys leave your Instagram down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The rest of the rules are down below. So just make sure you guys read them and follow them. So thank you guys so much for watching and we'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye. So the foundation we are going in with is the Morphe Fluidity. You guys, I can't see it, right? I can't see it. Okay. The two shades we have is F25. Oh, and we did yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Gross. Look at me, I look so yellow. Foundation's ugly. What's wrong with you?
I need to breathe. I can't breathe.
Is that better?